Good morning, student. This is class 8 and this is my 9th video of chapter 3. I am John's heart. Now we will do, in my previous video we have done the reading. Now we will do the hard words, word meaning, exercises and question answers. So here are the hard words which you have to do in your exercise book. The first word is unimpressive, then dedicated, ligaments, fragile, delicate, exaggeration. Next page, neurotics, drifting, concern, momentarily, impulses, contraction, aggravate, dizzy, exertion. Next page, clot, excess, adequate. Next page, violent, stimulates, strife, fretting. Next page, fanatic. Now what you have to do is write down the hard words. These are all your hard words, and then the same words you have to do for word and meaning. You find the meaning in Hindi and English. Hindi meaning you will write in your book, but in your exercise book you have to write the meaning in English only. And on page 22 you have got 6 more words. That is vocabulary A, adequate, then concern, blocked, contracts, delicate, closed. These will be your word meaning. Now we will come to the fill the correct options. Every day I pump blood through about 96,000 of blood vessels. Second is, I have pumped more than 3 lakhs of his blood. Third, John had a heart attack 5 years ago. Fourth, John was a successful businessman. Next page, fill in the blanks. I am John's dedicated slave, his heart. Second, I hang by ligaments in the center of his chest. Third, the vague nerves act as a brake. Fourth, John had a heart attack 5 years ago. Now answer the following. Question number 1. Write the function of the heart. From the question you will take the function of the heart is page number 17. It pumps one to move blood to the lungs and the other you will cut to push out into the body. Now answer number 2. When does the heart take rest? The heart take rest. From the question you will take and the rest answer on page 17. Between beats, it takes about 3/10 of a second for heart left ventricle to contact and push blood out into the body. Then it had a rest for a period of half a second. Now question number 3. Why is smoking so harmful to health? From question you will take the answer. Smoking is so harmful to health because page number 20. Because it absorbs quite an amount of nicotine every 24 hours, which is pretty violent stuff. It contracts arteries, particularly in the hands and feet, which raises the pressure against which the heart works. It also stimulates the heart so that it beats more rapidly. A cigarette increases heartbeat from a normal 72 into 80s. Now question number 4. What is the normal blood pressure for a middle-aged man? Answer is in the question only. The normal blood pressure for a middle-aged man is 140/90. Question number 5. How can a man avoid heart attack? A man could avoid heart attack by page number 21 by slimming down a bit, take regular exercise, relax a little more, cut down on fats and smoking. So these are all the question and answers. Do it in your exercise book. Rest will be in my next video. Thank you.